Hey everybody, this is Dr. Jones, DC with Colorado Medical Solutions. I'm so excited that you're watching this video right now because bioidentical hormone therapy, low T therapy, you may have heard it called many things, is very, very personal to me. I was dealing with low energy, and honestly, it was like I was walking around with this cloud around my head. And as you can imagine, I have so many different therapies and options to me. I tried so many different things, and it wasn't until I got on bioidentical testosterone therapy, even though I was reluctant in the beginning. Personally, I'll share with you guys, I'm in my late 30s, and to think the idea of getting a hormone therapy was definitely something that I really had to confront. I'm so glad I did. I haven't looked back. Even my mom, she was dealing with night sweats and hot flashes. She couldn't get any help. We put her on bioidentical hormone therapy. It's been a game changer for both of us. Since then, I've been researching so much. I actually have a book that I just wrote as well on bioidentical hormone therapy. Whether you're a man struggling with energy issues like me, or changes in your physique, or whether you're a woman that has some of those physique issues as well, or like my mom dealing with night sweats and hot flashes, whatever it is, you gotta come in, schedule a free consultation, see if our doctors can help you. I look forward to seeing you guys in the clinic.